best crab Rangoon starts with fresh ingredients. Right now, I'm mixing some stuff to make the wonton wrappers. You'll know you added the right amount of stuff after you mix a lardo and have something that looks like this. Add 1 part cream chess. I'm using the no artificial kind. 1 part albino green onion. Some garlic, mice, 1 part sugar, and lastly, equal parts 1 parts soy sauce and 1 parts windshield wiper sauce. Mix a lardo to make 7 parts food. Next, you want to take your wonton sheets and deal them out. You can